The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is a bold return to form for one of America's most iconic performance sedans. Once a staple of full-size power and street presence, the Supersport badge returns with new life, combining cutting-edge technology with retro-inspired style and ferocious muscle under the hood. The exterior design of the 2026 Impala SS commands attention. At first glance, the vehicle looks like a modern interpretation of a classic American muscle sedan, long, low-slung, and aggressively poised. The sculpted bodywork reflects both aerodynamics and heritage. The front fascia is particularly arresting, featuring a wide, blacked-out grille with the SS badge proudly centered. Slim LED matrix headlights with dynamic turn signals flank the grille, giving it a piercing, intimidating look. The hood features subtle power bulges and functional heat extractors, hinting at the power within. The fastback-like silhouette adds an element of sportiness while preserving rear headroom and trunk space. The rear of the car features quad exhaust tips integrated into a blacked-out diffuser, a lip spoiler on the trunk, and C-shaped LED taillights reminiscent of classic Impalas. At the heart of the 2026 Impala SS is a ferocious 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8 engine, borrowed and refined from the Camaro ZL1 and Corvette lineage. This engine cranks out a blistering 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque, delivered to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters and launch control. A 6-speed manual transmission is available as a no-cost option, much to the delight of purists. With this power plant, the Impala SS rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.6 seconds and can blaze through the quarter-mile in under 11.9 seconds. A top speed of 200 mph makes it one of the fastest four-door sedans in its class, rivaling high-end European sports sedans at a fraction of the price. Chevrolet's engineers have paired this mighty engine with a performance-tuned magnetic ride suspension system that constantly adjusts damping for road conditions and driving style. In track mode, the suspension firms up, the exhaust opens for an aggressive roar, and the throttle becomes razor-sharp. In touring mode, it softens for daily driving comfort, offering an almost luxury-like ride quality. An optional dual-mode performance exhaust gives the car an old-school growl under acceleration and a deeper burble at idle. Launch control and line lock functionality are standard, as is an electronic limited-slip rear differential for optimal traction. The 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS is everything a performance enthusiast could want in a modern muscle sedan. Powerful, loud, aggressive, refined, and surprisingly practical. It bridges the gap between American heritage and modern-day performance engineering.